Kiana, she wants to play with the doggy.
Baby, you move on.
Again?
Yeah.
Look, there's Sydney's kitty cat if you want to play with hers. There you go.
Hey, stop boofing, baby.
Sorry, honey? Kitty cat, yeah. Aww. Aww, they're good friends? Yeah. Okay, are you still recording? That's enough now, I think. Okay? Yeah. You want a few words from the filmmaker over here? Did you enjoy making the film? What was the one you just made? What was the best part of the film? The doggies kissing, getting the kitty? Yeah, that was cute. Okay, signing off. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.